Welcome to a special edition of DC GCC, where we bring you governmental information and classical entertainment. I am Governor Dr. Elizabeth Samantha Rothschild Judge, Governor of the Federal Estate of Washington, District of Columbia. This special edition is with regard to the Courts of Appeals. I am here at just passing through the United States Courts of Appeals. It came to mind that many courts of appeals are backlogged and backed up with cases miles long. One main reason that the courts of appeals are backed up is because of the reason for appeal. When there's a reason for appeal, an appeal is filed, and the courts receive that, and they have a lot of them. Lately, I've been dealing with controlled, unclassified information, and that, although it is not classified, does need to be correct and sufficient for dissemination. There are a lot of other works going on in other offices other than my office of the governor, where it is CUI, and the information needs to be right. The work that we complete must be correct. When there are interruptions, disruptions, and harassment, when one is completing their work, when the interruptions won't stop unless the work is put away, and to continue throughout any disruption could cause mistakes. The work still has to be turned in by deadline. When this information goes into Congress, the State Department, the Oval Office, the offices of the governors, the mayor's offices nationally, and to council, to commissions, and is reviewed by committees, and there is any information lacking or there are any mistakes, then the appeal process begins. Whereas if the work were done properly, there would be no need for appeal. Be valid with your torts. I condemn invalid justice systems. These create mistakes in our work. Many persons who can't tort and are looking for a reason to go into a court cause problems that cause mistakes and inconsistencies in our work, so that they'll have a reason to file appeal or to pick up a case or to seem to be investigating something, when had they not bothered. A lot of times these are referred to as ambulance chasers. If they had not bothered the process of work, there would be no reason for appeal, and the real major issues that need to even get into judiciary in the first place can be brought in with greater priority. And so, of course, I'll be legislating something with regard to this. And that is our special edition of DC GCC today. And in closing, I'll say, with fewer things for the Court of Appeals to consider, there can be more of a support in the major judiciary from the Court of Appeals for preventative measures, citing cases with regard to subsequent appeals. Have a great day.